Let's go. Hi there everyone. Today we have a very special car on our channel. A lot of you have been asking me for it and finally I found it. A 2019 Dodge Charger Police 5.7 all-wheel drive Pursuit. Let's fire it up. Go take a look outside. Wow. This is a super clean example. I want to thank Blue Ridge Mountain Auto Inc. for providing me this car. They are located in Warrenton, VA. I will attach all the information if you're trying to purchase this specific Charger. It is in excellent meticulous shape for its miles and age. Let's check out the rear seat. Now I will not close the rear door because I know what happens in that case usually, so I do not want to get locked in here. So here is the rear seat, no door handles, and vinyl seats in the back in case somebody pukes over them or there's blood. We have a black roof with the lamp. This is super cool, I think. Look at that. Let's go take a look at the trunk and then the engine. We even have a backup camera. Gigantic trunk, plenty of space in here. But so far, this definitely has to be one of the best sounding police cars that I've come across. It has a very nice note. This is exactly the car that you see in the police chases in Arkansas and Georgia with Jacob Bird. And here's the Hemi Charger. It does look really aggressive. Just needs some tints and ooh la la, like that. Well, let's go take a look inside now. So here we've got an empty console, cloth seats. They are not automatically adjustable on the incline, but you can move them up and down automatically. We got this little screen with the radio, media, compass, apps. We're just gonna keep it at the climate because it is a very hot day today. It doesn't tell you the temperature, does it? No. We've got our glove box. Here's the handle to the mirror. I guess we can just, what? I guess we can just pop it on like that, or something like that, I'm guessing. Nah. All right. No other cubbies, no armrests, nothing. Very simple. Let's do a wiper test, horn test, and let's go take this beauty for a spin. All right, let's check out the backup camera as well. Kind of hazy, but it's there. We got the sensors, and let's go take this baby for a spin. Ooh. Very nice. Brakes feel solid. This does feel much more stable than the rear-wheel drive version. Let's head on out here. Ooh, haha. Feels lovely, doesn't it? There's definitely a ton of power here for this kind of weight. I'd say power-wise and speed-wise, this is very comparable to the Caprice 6.0 that I drove. We got good visibility. The ride feels nice and compliant. It's actually a smooth ride, surprisingly. Definitely curious as to how it performs on the accelerations, but I'm guessing probably somewhere in the 6s, mid, maybe high 6s. We'll see. Brakes feel solid, very durable. Sure does sound magnificent. It's got like that deep growly tone. Sounds awesome. I really like the stability here. It's very good. I also think for a big boat, the visibility here is not bad at all, actually. I gotta say, I absolutely love it. This is amazing. Well, I'm thinking we gotta start heading back. Let's try and fit in a quick acceleration test, see how quick this charger is, and then we can start summarizing the test drive. All right, so I put some premium gas in here. Hopefully that makes our performance a bit better once we do the acceleration testing. Again, it is a very hot day today, so keep that in mind. But now, since we are running some premium, hopefully that helps with the numbers. So let's head out onto the road and do some acceleration testing. All right, we will probably start right here. Since there's no traffic, we're gonna come to a full stop here. All right, let's come to a full stop. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Awesome. Awesome. So we did 0 to 60 in 6.8 seconds, almost as I predicted. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 7.1, and the 1/8 mile at 9.65 at 75 miles an hour. So almost like the Caprice, very similar times, I would say. But good, very good, very good. Hopefully we can test it out one more time. This time I will disable the traction. We'll put it to sport, and we're gonna reset the meter. Like I said, I definitely want a good outcome here with the numbers. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. .49, perfect. And we did the full run. So here we did 0 to 60 in 6.51. And then we did 0 to 62 in 6.79. 1/8 mile came in at 9.48, 75, and the quarter mile 14.65 at 96.72. So there you have it. There you have the numbers. So yeah, 40 to 87, 7 seconds. So 14.6, 65. There are your numbers. Haha. It definitely can hustle, let me tell you that. Let's do one more test here. Let's come to a full stop here. I'm actually gonna boost it up a bit this time, see if that does anything. Let's actually come over here. We're gonna go to 80 this time, maybe like something like that. We're not gonna go higher than that, but let's see what we can do. All right. I wanna see if we can do better on the 0 to 60. Let's go, launch it. .5 again. All right, that should be enough. So we did 0 to 60 in 6.44. That is our record for today. 0 to 62 in 6.74. 1/8 mile in 9.46 at 74.88. And 40 to 80 in 7.19. All right, let's do this one more time. 6.24 this time, yay! Alrighty, we got our record for the day. 0 to 60 in 6.16 seconds valid. 0 to 62 in 6.47. 1/8 mile in 9.34, 75.13 miles an hour. So that has been very consistent here in this car. So great work here. Yes. But let's disconnect all our measuring devices and finish up our test drive. So this summarizes our test drive for today. By far, this has been the fastest police car that I have officially driven. I think, no, actually, or not. Yeah, I think this may be. I think it did beat the Caprice by 1/10 of a second on our best 0 to 60 try. And I liked how after a few tries it got better and better, but the trap speed did not change. It was 75 miles per hour sharp, and the quarter mile is about 96 miles an hour on this car, which is very respectable, I gotta say, for such a heavy yacht. Now, the rear-wheel drive version will be most likely slower to 60 because of the wheel spin. There is none here. And it honestly sails beautifully. It's a very comfy ride. I've had a lot of fun with this police Charger. Look at that, gets right out of the way. Amazing. What a surprise. But definitely let me know what you thought about this test drive in the comments below. Smash that like and subscribe button. And till next time.